What's up, guys? It's your girl Tiff. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for clicking on this video. I hope you guys are having an absolutely wonderful day. If you are not subscribed to my channel, I'm going to ask you to subscribe now. Just go ahead and click that button. Thank you. I hope you guys are doing good. I am a little tipsy, I'm not going to lie. I had a couple shots. Actually having a get together at my house shortly, a social distance get together in my backyard with a few of my friends. I have not seen my friends in quite some time, so we're doing a little something today. We're having some cocktails and conversation, so your girl is feeling good. It actually starts in about 20 minutes. It's scheduled to start in 20 minutes, but we are on CP time. If you don't know what CP time is, I'm not going to be the one to tell you. Look it up. So I'm pretty sure no one is going to be here on time. So I want to just do a really simple, soft look because that is what I'm good at and that is what will be done quickly. And it's hot. It's about 86 degrees right now in Chicago, but it's humid. So 86 degrees can feel like 95 degrees. So I'm doing a little bit of a different method to my makeup. So I'm just going to take you guys and let you see what I'm about to do. I'm probably not even going to talk because I really need to get this done. But I will make sure this time to have all the products listed below. And we're going to get started right into this video. Okay guys, so I'm doing a different technique with my makeup right now because like I said, it is hot and it is humid and I don't like to wear too much makeup when it's weather like that. So I'm going in with the Mercier deep dark translucent powder and I'm just applying that to the areas of my face that get the oiliest. I'm pressing it in. Not a lot, you don't need a lot, but I'm going to press that in before I put on my foundation. And for my foundation, I'm going in with the Matte Velvet Skin from Makeupforever. I really do like this because it's very lightweight and like I said, it's hot. So I don't need my face to be extra oily. I will say I've gotten a little bit darker, so this does look a little light, but you know, a little highlight and contour will bring it all back together. So let's just get to blending with the Beauty Blender and you guys will see, to me, this is like second skin, but it's so light and not heavy and perfect, absolutely perfect for the summer. My concealer is nothing new. I'm using the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. This is in the color Mocha. I'm just going to use a damp beauty blender to blend that in. I'm going to also use the excess to go over my eyelid, and this is just going to mute the eyelid to prep it for the eyeshadow. And guys, this is definitely a very simple, very quick, and definitely a sweat-proof makeup look for the summer. I'm not doing too much, and you guys will see I'm going to be using one shadow on my eyes. So let's just get this done, and I'm going to go ahead and mix in my powder. Like I did in my last video, I'm using a Juvias Place Gobi translucent powder along with the Sacha Buttercup. Mix those two together. For me, it gives me the perfect blend for my under eye. I said the eyeshadow is going to be very simple. I'm using burnt orange shadow from the soft Glam palette, the Anastasia palette, and I'm just putting that all over my eye. It's very close to my skin tone with just giving it a slight look pop of color. But like I said, this is going to be a very simple, very quick, but you're still going to get that glam look. Trust me, you're going to get it. I am going to be applying the Sephora liquid eyeliner. I'm doing a very thin line, very small wing, just to kind of prep it for my eyelashes in case, you know, the eyelashes ain't lined up properly. We ain't gonna have no space in between. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and do my eyes. Guys, I don't even know the last time I wore a wing liner. Like, honestly, I don't think I've worn like a wing liner in a couple months. But if you guys are not the best with wing liner, then definitely get a pen, and I definitely love this one from Sephora, hands down. Now I am going to go ahead and take my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in Deep Dark and just pat that into my skin. I am not doing a lot, you guys. Like I said, it's hot. Trust me, you don't need a lot. So I am going to place that. Just so you know, you got to set your foundation. I'm going to use the excess. I'm going to brush off that under eye powder. We don't need that baking absolutely too long. So we're going to go ahead and get that blended on out. And then I'm going to go in with the Anastasia yes, the Anastasia Contour palette. This is in medium to dark, and you guys have seen me use this 1,000 times. If you haven't, go back and watch some videos. But I'm going to go ahead and contour my face and bring some definition back to myself, okay? And I'm going to apply my lashes. I got these off of AliExpress. So it's not much I can link, but I'm gonna go ahead and pop my lashes on. The lashes was really gonna give this the look because like I said, we didn't do a heavy liner. We didn't really do any shadow, but the lashes are still gonna make the look pop. And y'all know I typically do not do my lashes on camera. So I need a subscribe just for me doing that because you know I be struggling. I reached into my drawer and pulled out a MAC highlighter that I have not used in maybe 7, 8, 9, 10 months. It's just been a minute. This is, oh my God, I forgot what this is. It's not Gold Deposit. See, I just forgot, but I will have it listed below. I'm going to go ahead and put that on my cheeks, give myself a little bit of glow, put a little bit on the nose, and then you guys know I always go back in with my foundation powder brush just to kind of blend it so that it's not like harsh. Gotta do my little shimmy, gotta do my shimmy. Now for my lips, I do not know where my chestnut lip pencil is. I'm going to go ahead and use cork. I'm just going to line my lips, and then I'm going to put on my MAC lipstick. This is in the shade, what is this? This is gel. So we're gonna put gel on, which I love gel, you guys. I do love gel. However, you're gonna see something different if you just hold on a couple more seconds, okay? And of course, we have to set the face. I'm just using the Morphe Luminous spray. I'm going to go ahead and set that. Like, you guys, trust me, I'm loving the way my skin looks. I'm loving the way everything is flowing. Like, yes. But hold on, wait. Boom. That is the final look. I went ahead and took the gel lipstick off, and I actually opened up a new chestnut pencil I forgot I had, and I switched my lipstick to Max Please Me. So this is the look. This is the look. I'm feeling everything about myself. Soft, simple, glam, and boom. Torn between eating a snack and being a snack. Okay, boo. So I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe.